It's not always easy for kids to stay healthy when it comes to lunch at school. So today, Jackie is meeting up with an expert for some advice on how parents can set their kids up for success in the cafeteria.
Hey guys, it's Jackie, and I'm here today with registered dietitian Lara Field, and we are talking today about school lunches. And I think this is such an important topic because there are so many challenges that parents face with this.
When we think about a lunch, our kids have such a short amount of time at school to eat it. They also are very busy talking and catching up with their friends. So keeping it simple, I think, is a little bit easier to achieve success. The other thing is refrigeration. You know, many people are worried that we might be limited to what we can pack, but there are some good solutions for that as well.
And because picky eating is such an issue too, it's important to get your kids actually involved in the process of packing lunch.
Exactly. A thing that I like to do with my own kids and recommend to my clients is put a list together. You know, maybe think about 10 options for lunch if you can come up with that, and then rotate among them. It doesn't have to be this new and fancy and beautiful lunch every time, but it should have good nutrition.
Because it is important to factor in the nutrition. We've got 5 categories here of different things that are important to incorporate.
So I think the keys to a healthy lunch are including whole grains, lean proteins, calcium-rich dairy, fruits, and veggies. And so if we include each of those in our lunch, our kids will, again, be full and focused throughout the day.
And this is where people get nervous sometimes about refrigeration.
Right. One, I think adding a cooling agent of some sort to a lunch would be great. And there's also some wonderful lunch boxes that come with refrigeration already. So packing a lunch that has a refrigeration point, I think, will be helpful. So we have a time window of 4 hours that keeps foods safe. So within that 4 hours, then your kids should be fine.
All right, so we're going to put together some different aspects of all of these and pack a school lunch.
Fabulous. So I'll start with these wraps. And this is great because it incorporates 2 of our things. So one, it's our protein, because there's some lean turkey in here, and also these wonderful sprouted grain wraps that are filled with fiber.
Okay, and I'll pack some of the strawberries over here for fruit.
And we can throw a few of these cheese cubes in, which is a good source of calcium.
And I'll do a couple different types of veggies in here. So I think that the most important thing here is to just be mindful when you're packing your kids' lunches. Incorporate these 5 different categories and get them involved.
Exactly. You know, Jackie, if we set our kids' expectations or actually kind of get them to understand what they might be eating the next day, they're more likely to eat it and enjoy it. So if we can get them involved on a nightly basis, choosing which veggies or calcium or whole grain choice they're gonna have, and help actually pack the lunch, then they're definitely going to be more likely to succeed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we want to see what healthy things you're packing in your kids' lunch. Tag us on Instagram.
Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.